Ever wondered how to make your business shine in the digital world? WebCreation365 is your answer. With a range of comprehensive web solutions and services, we're here to make your online presence count. Our first offering is responsive design. This isn't just about looking good on any device. It's about creating an interactive, engaging experience for your users, no matter where they are. Next up, we have CMS solutions. Whether you're a fan of WordPress, Joomla, or BigCommerce, we've got you covered. With our expertise, you'll have a website that's not just easy to use, but also SEO-friendly, scalable, and secure. E-commerce is another of our specialties. We'll help you set up a user-friendly online store, tailored to your business needs and optimized for sales. But we don't stop there. Web management and maintenance are also part of our portfolio. We understand that running a business is time-consuming, and that's why we're here to take care of your website for you. Web hosting and domain registration are also part of our services. We'll ensure your website is always accessible and running smoothly, and we'll secure a domain that perfectly represents your brand. At WebCreation365, we combine creative and technical expertise to bring your vision to life. We are passionate about helping businesses thrive in the digital world, and we're committed to excellence in everything we do. So, to recap, whether you need a responsive design, a CMS solution, an e-commerce setup, web management and maintenance, web hosting or domain registration, WebCreation365 is your go-to resource. Remember, your online presence is a vital part of your business. Let WebCreation365 empower you with the tools and expertise you need to succeed. Because here at WebCreation365, we believe in turning visions into captivating digital realities.